At Neuralix, we are redefining the future of energy and industrial operations with cutting-edge AI solutions, empowering businesses to operate smarter, faster, and more sustainably. Our platform addresses complex challenges in energy, manufacturing, and wastewater management by seamlessly integrating data to deliver actionable insights that enhance efficiency and extend asset life. Neuralix's predictive maintenance tools leverage AI to detect issues early, minimize downtime, and reduce maintenance costs in real time. Our AI-powered solutions also monitor emissions, ensure regulatory compliance, and drive decarbonization efforts, helping industries achieve their sustainability goals. Using Neuralix AI engine, a one-person team was able to put together 24/7 monitoring tools for carbon-free energy production that led them to raise over $250 million in corporate and federal support. Let us help you too. Partnering with innovators like Greentown Labs, Neuralix delivers scalable, tailored solutions designed for seamless integration and rapid deployment. Neuralix has been awarded for excellence and innovation, solidifying its position as a leader in AI-driven solutions for energy and manufacturing. By enabling operational excellence and sustainability at scale, Neuralix empowers industries to thrive in a competitive and environmentally conscious world. Visit Neuralix.ai to learn more about how we are transforming industries with intelligent, sustainable solutions. Our mission is to bridge innovation and sustainability, delivering exceptional value across every sector we serve.